Hi, welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. I'm going to plan today for week 24, and this is my Hemlock Oak B5 minimal planner, and week 24 is the 19th through to the 15th of June. And the theme I'm going to do this week is Cosy Bookworm. This might be my favourite of all time from Hubman and Chubgirl. The front of my planner I put one of my favourite vinyls, and then the other favourite vinyl is on the cover of my planner, and then in both my journals I used it as the opening theme for my journals. But anyway, yes, this week I decided to use it as my weekly theme in my planner, and I'm going to be using the standard kit and anything I have left over from collecting a lot of stuff to use for the opening of my journals. I'll link down below where I used the Hobonichi kit last year in a plan with me. And I'll also link down below the two opening journal setup videos so you can see the full collection in use. But I'm just going to go through everything now really quickly that I have left to show you what I'll be using today.
The longer I've waited, the more that I've tried. All the years that I've wasted trying to find it. All that I go through for my peace of mind. Let it all go out the window. No smoke in my eyes. I can hear the wind chiming. It's always been you in the back of my mind.
Okay, let's get started and put down the dates.
Early blue morning, when everything's cold, I see you running, all covered in gold. There's nothing else that eases my soul. I let it all go out the window. No smoke in my eyes. I can hear the wind chiming. It's always been you in the back of my mind. When there are others, I do the routine. I dance all alone there. I try to be seen.
I'm going to actually have a load of leftovers from this kit, and normally whenever I have leftovers I have been putting them into a binder on release paper, and then if I need a journal theme I can go through that and choose from it. But I actually think I'm going to put these ones into my main sticker collection because the little books can be used for planning, and there's little cups of tea and I could use them for planning too and other things. I'm not actually a tea drinker, but anyway, that's not the point, Ruth. Stop going off on a tangent. Yes, I'm going to put them into my main sticker collection. Speaking of tea, my sister has this little thing. It's called, I don't remember what it's called, but it makes matcha tea so easily. And she showed me it. You pour the milk into it, you put the matcha powder straight in, and then she just turns it on. And then she's able to pour it into ice and have like an iced matcha latte. I don't like matcha lattes at all. I don't like any form of tea, to be honest, but I'm really jealous of it, and I really looked hard to see if there was something out there that would make coffee that way. So you could just put the milk directly into the little teapot, add the powder and pour yourself out a coffee. if you wanted to add syrups or whatever. But the matchas are like banana flavoured matcha, salted caramel matcha, blueberry matcha. It's by a company called Bird and Blend. She's obsessed with that company and gets lots of different teas from it. I think Hotel Chocolat actually makes one that you can use to make hot chocolate, but there's no coffee version out there and I'm very jealous, frankly.
Somewhere along the way, somehow we ended up at a crossroad and we got lost. Somewhere you chose to go left while I turned the other way, and you got lost.
Okay, time to get the actual plans in, and starting with Monday, I have a Tesco delivery at 12, and this week I'm just going to use the full boxes. I'm not going to put any sort of icon beside it. I'll keep the little books and stuff for maybe in between and space fillers, and like I was talking about earlier, to mark plan with me's in future whenever I start using different icons again in my planner. Anyway, on Tuesday then I need to mark leaving out the bins, and I also need to mark that it is my father-in-law's birthday. Unfortunately, he's actually in the hospital at the minute with heart failure, but God willing he'll be out by his birthday, because that would suck, still being in your birthday.
Want you to know, for all I know, even if the road ahead is long and winding.
On Thursday then I have my nail appointment, and thankfully this week I'm back to normal and I can go over my lunch. This week I actually got them shaped into an almond shape. I have always done square nails for my whole life, anytime I've got a manicure, so every time I look at my hands it's like it's not really my hands. It's strange, but I didn't go for it because I thought I wouldn't suit it, but also I see a lot of younger women and my nieces and stuff getting their nails that shape, and I just thought, you know, it would look, I don't know, it's bizarre to explain. It doesn't matter what age you are, you can have your nails any way you want, but I stopped sort of talking myself out of it, and I've been going through a phase where I'm just telling myself to do the things I've always wanted to do and stop making reasons why I can't do it now, if that makes sense. So I got them done, and it seems like such a small thing, simply getting your nails shaped almond, but I did it. That's a big thing to me. Anyway, on Saturday I need to weigh in and take my medication, and then I left a little blank box because I'm going to visit my mum and dad, or I'm meeting with my friends. I can't remember which week we agreed to meet, so I need to confirm that. And then on Sunday, I'm putting in my Coffee Monsterz Co event sticker for Father's Day. And then underneath that, I'm adding a little box for updating the groceries.
Even if the road behind us left you crying, even if the tears come streaming